Andrew Hunter lives and works in Stratford, Ontario, where he operates his business Halibut Woodworking. He focuses on quality joinery and keeping the overall look of the furniture he makes simple and clean, by taking details like proportion and grain matching into account. As I mentioned, clean lines are Andrew's specialty, and his sliding door cabinet is a great example. The subtly curved legs add a bit of flair, but otherwise it's simplicity at its best. Here are a few more examples highlighting the uncluttered work Andrew creates. This sideboard cabinet is one of my favorite pieces Andrew has made. I like the mix of grain and proportions. And this tall cabinet also has beautiful proportions, though with minimal solid wood components, the grain doesn't stand out as much. The space Andrew builds his furniture in is about 800 square feet and includes a small office. It's a decent amount of space for him to store wood and have a healthy selection of tools and machinery on hand. He also rents a storefront not far from his shop, where he shows a lot of the work he's made. Andrew and his partner have a young baby, so between the furniture making and being a dad, he doesn't have much time to play music anymore, but he does his best to still fit it in.